Hello, welcome to today's analysis on Gala. Gala has shown us a bottom, and what we need now is a rally to commence. I'll be picking this analysis from point 2. When you look at my chart on point 2, this is the point that Gala first hit support, and it got a rally up from buyers. It rallied to point 3, but it could not progress. It now traded on the average moving averages, both the 50 and the 200. It also rise a little bit as if it's going to break through point 3 at the moment, but it failed to break through. Then sellers hit it hard. It now finally dropped back, testing the support the second time. As it's testing it the second time, something unusual happened. When you look at this last correction, the leg that started from up here straight down here, look at underneath the chart, you will see that the volume was less. As the volume keeps below the average volume, that's an indication that the sellers are getting weak and there is no more selling coming into Gala. And that's exactly what happened on this bar. When this bar occurs, it marks the bottom of the correction, and no further price has fall beyond this bar low. That's a very good indication of price activity. Guys, I'll be giving you more analysis and updates on your favorite cryptocurrency, and I'll be showing you the target point. I'll explain the reason behind the price movement psychology, why the price is stopping or why it's reversing. I would like you to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button. Anytime I upload analysis, you can always receive updates. I would like you to share the video with your friends and like. Let's continue on our analysis. After this bar stopped the downward correction, the price now traded in sideways for some period, and as it's trading in sideways, it's even confirming more of what is about to happen in the future. What do I mean? When the price was on range on this area, look at the volume underneath the chart. The volume continued to dry up and it stayed below the average volume. That's also another indication that yes, it's trading on the bottom and it has now finally gotten flat. What is needed is a bar that closes upward, this type of bar or this type of bar, and that has above average volume. That's what's going to initiate our entry point on Gala. And immediately we see such bar, we buy Gala immediately, hoping it will continue its rally, because that bar has shown a strength of support from buyers with either both volume and the strength closing around the peak of its range. Our next update will now be looking towards the prior resistance. Let me show you the prior resistance. That's point 3. Point 3 was the prior resistance before it starts dropping, and immediately the price approach point 3. We will watch it closely and see what the price action is going to do. If it's going to rise above it with a substantial or above average volume. If that occur, then we know the uptrend has resumed in Gala. And once the uptrend finally resume, the sky is the limit. Gala will continue its upward rally, which it started earlier, as it's taking rest and taking breath now. Look at the chart from on the big picture. You can see it's on support zone. It's like on the floor. It tested it at point 2, now testing it twice, and the volume has finally dried up. So there is no more selling coming into Gala. What is now next is for Gala to rise. Let me show you an area where this happened in the past and we can see what happened afterward. Look at this last leg that happened during the bear market. The last leg of the bear market, it dropped drastically, but when you check the chart underneath it, the volumes keep drying up. As this volume continues to stay below the average volume, is a very good indication for professional chart readers, because it's alerting you that it's now time to start preparing your fund and start investing in Gala. And what happened afterward? Just little support from the buyers, the price shoots up rapidly, and we have a substantial rally that rise up to 0.1. That's about 308% increase. We are also waiting for such kind of movement on this rally, because the volume has dried up already and we are now expecting it to break out and go upward as well. We also use this percentage increase as our projection because that's the first leg of the last leg of the bull rally. It has not yet bring in another leg. So the from point 1 to 2 they are all still resist correction. Yes, but it has finally shown us bottom now. So if it finally rise and break above point 3, we will expect it to go around 308% increase, and that will now finally be our target price. Here is our target price, 0.20. That's our target price, which is also the same thing as the first last leg of the rally on Gala. Guys, if this analysis really help you, I want you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment your opinion. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next analysis.